Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka Meghalaya Medical Services Association hanigasngi kalapli pat ba yaka 23rd Scientific Conference cum General Meeting ba arsngi ha State Convention Center Shillong. Hakanigasngi layadon lang daki doktor nakaleng kejala hakaba u Principal Secretary Jongkatanat Health and Family Welfare u Sampath Kumar ulalong kumukongsan but u Professor C. Daniela Medical Superintendent Negrims kum usumbut kongsan. Habakran hakanigasngi nakaliang u Principal Secretary Jongkatanat Health and Family Welfare u Sampath Kumar ulaong baka sorkar jala kala shimya kilat kilenti ban penbahaya ke jing ai jing sumar haka jala dabun ki benta la kadai haka bantong ki doktor bat kiwei ulaong habang idon kata kemensim jong ke jingkit kli ni Trei shitam bat shimya ke jingkit kli bat pendap ya ke ke bala bensyat haki ula ai ke jingero ya ke bakum ki doktor kilale kham tamban ai ke jing shakri ban pet ya ka kot ka khya jong ki bapang bashitom haga jala ula Kyntu ya baro ki dekhot ban ye Trei shitom bat shim ya ka kam ka baki Trei kum ka jing shakri bat ban yo i ba ka jala kan dei ka wei ni ki jala ki bat Trei bha hakaliang ka kot ka khya
would lead definitely. We wanted to see Meghalaya as as one of the best performing states and achieve all the human the development outcomes. We call them SDGs. Popularly by 2030, all the countries are supposed to achieve the SDGs, and most of the SDGs are related to again health, education, gender, and all. So we are all actually working by using a life cycle approach. So today you're aware there is a problem. Everyone thinks that total fertility is the problem in Meghalaya, but we are trying to convert the problem into an opportunity. How can we actually make these young children to be these really give the opportunities to unleash their full potential. So that's why an early childhood development mission has been launched, if you look at it. So where we are training the parents, training everybody how to actually provide the child care, how to provide that kind of the support, especially during the first 5 to 6 years. If you provide that support, in fact, children's ability to really do well in the schooling, ability to really do well when they become adults will grow immensely. So a lot of these systemic efforts are being made. So I think this is where I see the role of this entire. It was started with, as I said, saving lives of mothers and children, and that is actually leading to so many systemic efforts. Because when we started actually working on these issues, we are also finding out in what way actually we can really provide, address this problem, and also provide, you convert this problem into an opportunity.
MMSA are the pillars and backbone of the healthcare system in the state. And together with migrants, the non-government hospitals, and all the members of the MMSA, we have been working together as a team, synchronously delivering healthcare system to the entire state of Meghalaya in times of need, in times of trouble, and in times of very important things. So I'm extremely happy that being in a medical college, being a teacher of a medical college, that we have finally decided to have a new medical college in the state, which is very much in need of the hour. And because this will provide a very much needed local health manpower for the state. And in fact, I was very much in favor of having state colleges. In fact, in one of the media that has been, one of the prime media has put why the state government should come in the state instead of the central government. Central government has a role to play too. But then if you look at the reservation policy of the central government state, so if you have a state government medical college, I think lion's share of the seats and the employment goes to the state. So I'm very happy that Slate, nevertheless, that there's a decision to make a state medical college. So Negrims can have we can lend a helping hand in fulfilling the desire of the state.